Hey guys, oh, my edges look terrible. I'm gonna do it like this. I'm kidding. Thanks for tuning in to Black Diamond Beauty. I just wanted to shoot y'all a quick little intro video about what this video is gonna be about. I am actually about to, retwist my son's dreads. I'm not going to do a full tutorial on it. I will put a couple of clips in because I don't have nowhere to set my camera up to where you can see what I'm doing while I'm doing it. I'm going to try to get a couple of clips in for you guys though. But anyway, I just wanted to come to you real quick and show you exactly what I use on their hair. Well, both of my sons have dreads, so that's why I said there. Okay, so starting out, I spray this, in this spray bottle is apple cider vinegar and water and a couple of different oils. And I use this to help with dandruff and getting all that extra lint and gunk and stuff out of their hair, because when you get dreads, the dirt and stuff builds up in the dread. So this helps with that. And I basically just spray their head down, and I sit them, put a cap on their head after I spray it down, and I let it sit on their head for maybe 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. And then after that, I will rinse this out and start the washing process. And the first thing I use to wash their hair is this Therapeutic Shampoo, and it basically does the same thing as the apple cider vinegar. It helps with itching and dandruff, and just to help get the hair really clean, because my boys do build up a lot of dandruff and stuff, and they stay scratching their head. You know how it is. But yeah, this is the first shampoo that I use on their head. And after that shampoo, I'll go in with this shampoo. And this is the shampoo that I use on my head too. So I love this stuff. It's everything. But after I rinse that shampoo out, I'll put this one in and wash it a second time with this. And after I rinse this one out, then I will go in with this spray bottle, which has this aloe vera juice in it, along with some water. It's more aloe vera juice, less water. This one, the apple cider vinegar, is more water, less apple cider vinegar. That's basically how I do mine. And basically, I'll just spray the head down with this to give it some moisture, to moisturize their hair. I love this stuff, this aloe vera juice. I use it on my head too. And after I spray their hair down with this, then I'll go in with the leave-in. And this is a leave-in that I got from the Dollar Tree. I don't use this on my hair. I bought it just for my boys. But, yeah, I use this leave-in on their head. And after the leave-in, then I'll go in with the oil. And if you didn't watch my how I take care of my hair under my protective style, you know that this is not this oil. It has coconut oil, Jamaican black castor oil, jojoba oil, and tea tree, and olive oil in here. I just pulled the oil that came in it out. Whatever. But after I put the oil on their hair, then that's basically when I'll start interlocking their dreads. I palm twist their dreads first, and then after I palm them, I'll interlock them with a crochet needle. And if you're not sure, or if you don't know what interlocking is, it's basically when you're going like clockwise around, pulling the dread through the scalp and basically locking it. I'll show you a clip of it. I mean, it's kind of hard to explain exactly how you do it unless you're doing a, I guess, demonstration. That's the word I'm looking for. But I'll put a clip in so you can see exactly how I interlock their dreads. And basically what I use is the Murray's beeswax to when I palm their dreads. And then after I palm them, like I said, I'll do this. But I put this on before. And yeah, basically I just got some clips and combs, and it's basically what I use to put their hair up, get the hair out the way so I can do what I need to do. Okay, so with that being said, yeah, I think that's about it for the intro. Like I said, I'm gonna put some clips in of his hair while I'm doing it, and I'll also, of course, put some pics at the end so you guys can see the end result. I do thank you for tuning in to Black Diamond Beauty. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you. And if you have subscribed already, thank you, lovies. I appreciate it. Yeah, I'm trying to get my subscribers up. So if you guys are watching and you have a channel, I would love to subscribe to your channel. Also, comment below, let me know. I'll hit you up and hit that subscribe button so we can become family. Yay! Anyway, y'all have a good day, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.
Medically unnecessary.
And his words
who talked her out of the surgery
have consequences.
What's going on? Something that...
It's the last episode before the season finale with one shocking ending. The Good Doctor, all new next Monday at 10/9 Central on ABC. This is a News 2 breaking news alert.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to News 2 at 10. I'm Bob Newell.
And I'm Haley Wilkes. We begin with that breaking.
Okay, so first I put beeswax on, like so. Then I take my comb, put it through, and then twist it up. Take the comb out, see my twist. The rest of the hair that's down here, I twist that down like so, and then I get my crochet needle and I'm starting here, pull it through, go through the top to the bottom, pull it through, and go from the side, pull it through. Oh shoot. And then lastly, and as I'm doing this, I'm twisting each time. And you go from the bottom to the top and pull it through. And you can see the lock is done. I'm going to do this one more time for y'all. So we're going to add the beeswax. His hair is already damp. So after I do a section, I do use the blow dryer to dry his hair. Twist it with the comb. See that part right there? I'm going to twist that around the dread down to where it's straight. And then, once again, go through from the side. Go through from the top to the bottom. And then go through from this side and pull it through. If I can get it through. There we go. And then once again, twist and through the bottom and pull it through. And if it's not tight enough, if I don't feel like it's tight enough, I will go through the side again and pull it. Hold on. And go through the side again. Make sure it's tight. Pull it through. And instead of going all the way around again, I'll just go through the side and then go through the top. And you want to make sure that the top, you going through the bottom up to the top is your last one, because that's what's going to make the hair lay down, like so. Okay. Okay, I'm all done, and I just finished his hair. And to end everything, I put some of this oil on his hair, and it's this soothing oil. This is a new product by them. I just bought it. I haven't even used it on my hair. As you can see, the bottle is still full, but when I put it on his dreads, it made it very shiny and made it look real good. So I think this is going to be a good thing for not only his dreads, but my hair also. Yeah. Okay, so I'm all finished now. This is the top of his head. Hold your head up. And here's the back. And here's the sides. And here's the other side. So yeah, that's it.